It's a beautiful bhajan of childhood of Shri Radha and Krishna. Once Shri Radharani went to Gahvarvan to play with her playmates. They were playing over there, and then all of a sudden, little Shri Krishna also reached over there, and he was also looking towards the game and Shri Radharani and the Sakhis with the wish that I wish to play with them also. Shri Radharani looked at Shri Krishna and she guessed that he also wants to play with us. So let us include him also. So Shri Radharani called Shri Krishna and he said, you can also play. He was very happy and he started playing with Shri Radharani and the other little gopis. Shri Krishna was defeated in the game. When he was defeated, he thought immediately, now I have to undergo the punishment of defeat. Whenever the children play, there is some kind of condition that if any child, the child who will be defeated has to undergo this condition, this kind of punishment. And that day it was the condition that whoever will be defeated has to become a horse. When he thought, number one, I am defeated, it is embarrassing for me, plus I am defeated by the gods, this is second defeat. So he was very much embarrassed and he tried to run away. Lali sang khelat haryo lal. Lal means Shri Krishna was playing with Lali, Shri Radharani, and he was defeated. Harat hi bhajo. And after this, when he was defeated, after this thought, he tried to run away from there. But Shri Radharani is very well acquainted with his nature. She knew that if he will be defeated, he will try to run away without giving the chance. So, because she was already arrogant, so she caught him by his hand. He caught his hand. Shri Krishna was trying his best to be free from Shri Radharani. Shri Radharani said, Lali kaho kat kit bhajyo lala. She said, where are you running away? Now you have to fulfill the condition of the play. You have to undergo the punishment of a defeated child. You cannot run away like that. But Shri Krishna was trying to free himself, but when he could not do it, then Thanyo Rodan Jal. He pretended like he is crying. Rodan Jal means he was playing a trick. He was not crying actually, but he was playing a trick. He was showing that now he is crying. When Shri Radharani saw him crying, then she said, let him go. She freed him and she said that let him go because he doesn't know the rules of the game. There is sportsman spirit. Either you are defeated or you win the game. You have to be happy in both the conditions. But whenever he gets defeated, he always cries. He doesn't want to undergo the punishment of a defeated child. So he doesn't know the rules. He doesn't know how to play. So let him go. Lali chhani kar kahin jao. Now you can go. Jani ayo punikal. But There's another condition. You can go now. But Jani Ayo, Punikal, now on you can never come to play with us. Do not come tomorrow as well. We will not enter you in our game. You can go now, but do not come again to play. Now Sri Krishna was more upset because number one, he was defeated, and then he was defeated by the girls, and number three, he lost his chance also to play again with Shri Radharani, because he was said that now you cannot come back to play with him. So he went home to Maya Yashoda, because he was a child. And the children have some problem, they immediately go to their mothers to cry, to tell their problem. So he went over there, and to gain the favor of Maya Yashoda, he started crying. And he was not telling anything. And how could he tell that I was defeated, that's why I am crying? He could not say that. That's why he was just crying. And Maya Yashoda was asking him again and again, Lala, what happened to you? Why are you crying? Who beated you? Who ate you? When Mother Yashoda asked the questions like that, then he said, oh yeah, today there was a girl, she ate me. A girl ate you? Who can dare beat my child? He said like that, he made a complaint against Kishoriji that she has beaten me. And then, thus he gained the favor of Maya, and now see what Maya is going to do. complaint that a girl has beaten me, then Maya Yashoda also thought that who can dare? Because या ललना के कमला नन पर वारत हो सबरी. Bhajan number 65. When he made this complaint that a girl has beaten me, the mother was completely convinced with a false complaint of Sri Krishna, and she thought maybe somebody has beaten him very badly, that's why he is crying. So she was wondering that who can be that girl? Because Ya Lalana ke Kamala Nanpar Varat ho Sabri. He is such a fondant child of myself that I sacrifice everything on the lotus feet, the lotus face of my child. And everybody knows this. That is very dear to me and Nanda Baba. Still, who is that girl who even thought to beat my child? When Lord Krishna saw that mother is now convinced, so he thought that although I am defeated, but if Maya Yashoda will go there and if she will scold Shri Radharani, then I will be a little bit equal to Shri Radha, because then I will that sadness of being defeated by Shri Radha's group will be pacified. So he said, yes, mother, I can show you that girl. The girl who has beaten me, I can show her. They are still playing in Gabbar 1, come along with me. And I will show you that who girl has beaten me. Then he took Maya Yashoda towards that side where Shri Radharani was playing with the other little gopis, and he did not go near to Shri Radha because he didn't want his mother to know the fact. That's why he was standing at the distance, and he said that, Maya, are you seeing those girls? Oh yeah. Which one is that? He said, the one whose complexion is very fair. She has beaten me. Maya saw towards Shri Radha, and she was thinking in her mind, oh no, this girl looks very sweet, very innocent, beautiful. She cannot beat anyone. And Shri Krishna immediately guessed that Maya is not getting convinced. After seeing this girl, after seeing Shri Radha, Maya cannot be convinced that she can beat anyone. Then immediately he changed and he said, Bhori banijo khari, de kumatu, utto gori bhori banijo khari. Maya, she is not innocent, she looks very innocent. Bhori bani, she is pretending like she is very innocent, but she is not innocent. She is the girl who has beaten me. And then Maya said, okay, let us go there and I will fix her, I will take her class now. Ari more lalana so kaun lari, Ari more lalana so kaun lari, Ari more lalana so kaun lari, Ari more lalana so kaun She was angry. When she listened to the complaint of her own child, then she forgot about the justice and she was just taking the favor of his own child, and she went with anger to Shri Radharani, and instead of talking to her like a little child, she is saying, "Tu taruni ka ki jai kyun? Lalana ki bhuj pakri." Tu taruni, a lady. See, because she is angry, so she is not saying, "Oh little child, oh my daughter, oh Lali." She didn't say like that because she was angry. "Oh lady, Taruni." She is addressing like that. "Kaki jai tu." Whose daughter are you? When someone is very much defamed, generally people ask the first question that whose son is he? His son is so bad. Whose son is he? In the same way, Maya Yashoda also saying that Kaki jai tu. Whose daughter are you? Or Lalana ki bhuj pakri. What is the reason? You twisted his arm just for nothing. What did he do? Why did you twist his arm? Shri Radharani was smiling. See? How did he fabricate the story? I didn't beat him. I didn't say anything to him. He was defeated. He was crying. And then I said that, okay, if you are crying, you don't want to play. You don't know the rules of the games, and if you are not satisfied, okay, you go and don't come back again. This is all what she said. And he said to Maya Yashoda that he has beaten me, he twisted my arms, this and that, and that's why I am crying. So she was smiling and looking at her, that number one, she did a mistake. She fought with my son and she twisted his arms. Even then, she is smiling. He was right. That this girl is not innocent. She is still smiling. Then Maya Yashoda asked him, "Sisak mero kanha roe, tu muskat khari." You are so stubborn that my child, Kanha, is crying like anything, is sobbing. And tu muskat khari, and you are still smiling. You are such a bad girl. This is the indication. Then Shri Radharani said, Maiya, can I also say something to you? Yes, what do you want to say now? She said that you heard everything from your son. But you didn't ask me that what happened. Why is he crying and what happened? Yah to maya kachu nyaya na kino, nijasu to ol dhari, O Maiya. It was not fair to take the side of your son only. He is your son. Am I not your daughter? Mother Yashoda, when she heard the sweet voice and the gentle way of talking of Shri Radharani, she was very much impressed on Shri Radha. She said, yes, he is my son, so if he is your son, am I not your daughter? She realized, yes, you are also my daughter. Because all the children who are playing with their children, they are like their own children. She said, yes, she is my daughter too. You are my daughter too. Then why? Why didn't you listen to me also? You didn't ask me anything about this fight. You just, whatever he said, you believed on that and you are scolding me. Then Maiya said, okay, what really happened? Then Shri Radharani told the whole story, that how did he come to play. We allowed her to play, and then he was defeated and he didn't want to undergo the punishment. He started crying. Then I said, okay, if you don't want to play, go away and never come back again. Then Maiya Yashoda was convinced with the words of Shri Radharani, and she looked at Sri Krishna angrily. Then why did you bring me here? It was your mistake. And Sri Krishna, he was standing behind Maiya Yashoda, and he also walked towards his house with Maiya. And Shri Radharani was looking. When he was going back, Shri Radharani Maiya Yashoda was looking towards Sri Krishna. And Sri Krishna also looked at Shri Radharani. Shri Radharani gave an indication, okay, this time you came with your mom. That's why I didn't tell you anything. Come again without mother, then I will fix you. And Shri Radharani, Shri Krishna also said that, okay, although nothing happened, but still, mother also scolded you. At least you were also scolded. So we are equal now. He gave this kind of indication, and thus the play of that day was over. Sisak, sisak mero kanha rove. Sisak, sisak mero kanha rove. Sisak, sisak mero kanha rove. Kanha rove. Kanha rove. Mero lala rove. Mero lala rove. Sisak, sisak mero kanha rove. Sisak, sisak mero Now Shri Radharani gave him an ultimatum that you cannot enter in our games. But next day, when Shri Radharani came back to play, then Shri Krishna reached over there as well. And he was standing in hope that they will call me also to play the game. But nobody was calling. Eventually, Shri Radharani was very kind to little Kanha, and he said he is standing like that, he is willing to play. Let us give one more chance to him. And he said that you can also play with us today. Then before Shri Radha says that you have to undergo the punishment as well if you are defeated. This is the rule of the game, that whoever will be defeated has to give the chance, he has to undergo the punishment as well. Before that, cleverly, Sri Krishna himself is saying something. Lali Sang Khelat Bal Gopal. Little Sri Krishna is playing with Lali, with Shri Radharani. खेलन के पूरब नटखट ने, naughty Shri Krishna played a trick. खेलन के पूरब, before starting the play. What trick did he play? कहो लाल जो खेल ही हारे, दांव दे तत्काल. It is the rule that whoever will be defeated in this game today, the loser has to undergo the condition of this play immediately. Now de tatkal, without making any excuse, one has to undergo the punishment. What will be the punishment? Shri Radha is saying that we know that you always lose the game, you are always defeated in the game, and you are the one who doesn't want to undergo the punishment. That's why you tell us today that what will be the punishment for the one who loses the game. Then Shri Krishna, he also knew that most probably I will be defeated again. So I should have some safe side as well for myself. So he made the rule, Tum haro to vyah karam mohe. If you are defeated in the game today, then you have to marry me. Shri Radha said, okay, if I will be defeated, then I will marry you. But what about if you are defeated? Because mostly you are defeated, and then chances that you will be defeated today as well. So tell me that if you are defeated in the game, then what should we do? What punishment should we give to you? He says very simple. If you are defeated, then you have to marry me. If I am defeated, I will marry you. Because he had to get married. So he said that forever this kind of dispute will be finished. When we will be married, we will become one. It's better to say like that. He said that if you are defeated, you marry me. If I am defeated, I will marry you. Somehow we will get married. Kishoriji was so innocent. She immediately thought that yes, he will be defeated, I am sure. I will not be defeated. Then he has to marry me. I don't have to. She was thinking like that and thinking in this way, she agreed. She could not understand the trick of Sri Krishna in this kind of condition. Jani saki nahi bhanu dulari koot chal Nandalal. She could not understand the trick of Nandalal Sri Krishna. Kaha kripalu man hi man dhani dhani maya pati ko jal. Shri Maharaj is saying in this line that all glories to the crafty pastimes of the master of Maya. He is Madhava. Madhava means Maya Dhavaham. Maya ka pati. Dhav means pati, husband. Maya means, he is Maya pati. And he is fabricating the net of Maya on Shri Radha Rani. And Shri Radha Rani is acting as a very innocent person, and she could not understand the trick of Sri Krishna. This is the meaning, the essence of this bhajan.
Number 86.
86, sorry. खेलत बाल गोपाल लली संग 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 गोपाल लली संग खेलत बाल गोपाल लली संग खेलत बाल गोपाल लली संग खेलत बाल गोपाल लली संग खेलन के पूरब नट खट में 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 चली अटपटी चाल लली संग 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 खेलत बाल गोपाल गोपाल लली संग खेलत बाल गोपाल लली संग खेलत बाल गोपाल लली संग जो खेलई हारे भयो लाल जो खेलई हारे काऊ दे तत्काल Hare गोविंद राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे राधे गोविंद राधे। जलमैली सरकार की जय, श्रीमद सतगुरु सरकार की जय, निकुंज विहारिणी अलवेली सरकार की जय। जय जय श्री राधे, जय